Top 3 awesome real estate tips for home sellers. 1. Professional photography and 3D walkthroughs. Buyers can shop any time of the day or night, and sellers can show their house 24/7. It also cuts down on showings to only the serious buyers. 2. Handle the repairs before the home inspection. It might be tempting to put off small repairs and let the next owner handle them. When you choose to fix small repairs before the buyer's home inspector finds out, you gain valuable peace of mind during the closing process. 3. Work with a professional listing agent. Find a dedicated, responsive, and knowledgeable real estate agent, someone you can trust to guide you through every step of selling your home. A good seller's agent will make informed recommendations about a listing price, advise you on which repairs will help you sell your home, and make recommendations about decluttering, staging and maximizing your curb appeal.